Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that S&P 500 on the 7 days time frame chart was getting bounced from the support of EMA 21, and this was my last video by the way. And I was showing you that now there is a probability that soon Bitcoin may also follow this rally that SPX 500 or stock markets had started, because there is a very strong correlation between the two markets, because there is a quite strong relation between stocks and Bitcoin, and therefore there is a probability that if SPX 500 and the other stocks will start rally from here, then Bitcoin may follow that rally as well. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that this is the S&P 500. You can see that it bounced very well from this support of 49.20. And previously this level was working as a support here, and again it worked as a support, and at the same time it was also getting bounced from this quite long-term support of exponential moving average 21. At the same time, you can see that we also received a bull cross by the stochastic oscillator, the stochastic RSI oscillator. This is, by the way, faster than stochastic oscillator, and you can see it was entered the oversold zone. We received the bull cross, like this blue line crossed up the orange line. Previously it was happening here when it was entered the oversold zone here. At that time, even we broke down the support of EMA 21, but after that, you can see that the price then started a very nice recovery move, and then we had a very massive rally. Same as like that. This time we again received the bull cross, but this time the price then did not break down this support of EMA 21 and bounced very well from this support. Now, if you take a look at the Bitcoin chart, then you can see that it was about to hit the support of EMA 21, and here on 29th of April, on this week, the price line hit this support of EMA 21, just hit the spike here, and then we received a bull cross between this blue line and the orange line. You can see that this blue line is crossing on the orange line by the stochastic RSI from the oversold zone, and there was also a quite big hidden bullish divergence as well on this chart. As you can see that the price line formed this low here, and the next low is higher than the previous one that it is forming right now. And stochastic RSI formed this low here, and the next low is lower than the previous one. And this is a quite massive hidden bullish divergence signal on this 7 days time frame chart, and the price line is following this signal and also likely to follow the rally of stock market as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for a space ID, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 13th of March 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me take you to the live chart, and this is the S&P 500. And previously, I was showing you that S&P 500 was testing this recent support of 49.20 that was previously working as support here, and again it worked as a nice support. We had a bounce very well from this support, and at the same time the price and also tested this support of exponential moving average 21 on the 7 days time frame chart. And stochastic oscillator was just entered the oversold zone. Then we received a buying signal or bull cross by the stochastic RSI oscillator, and you can see that the price line has followed this signal and started another very nice reversal. At the same time, Bitcoin was moving down, especially on this week when it was testing the support of EMA 21 on 29th of April. That was the second day of the rally for SPX 500 this week of 29th of April. You can see it was the second week of this rally. Bitcoin was moving down and testing the support of EMA 21, and after that, the price then bounced very well. And now it is likely to follow this rally of SPX 500. Now, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then this was the descending triangle that I was showing you in my previous videos. And here you can see that while moving inside this descending triangle, recently the price then found another down trend line resistance. You can see we got rejection here, almost another rejection here as well, another rejection here, rejection here, and then finally we have broken down this downtrend line resistance that was formed within this bigger descending triangle. And now there is a very, very high probability that soon Bitcoin may try to break out this next downtrend line resistance here at $68,450. At the same time, if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that it has already broken out this very, very big falling wedge pattern. And I've been showing you this falling wedge pattern in my so many previous videos when it was moving at this long-term support of $15,475. And I told you that now there is a very high probability that soon we may break out this wedge, and the target for the breakout will be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $68,000 to $70,000. And you can see that the price line has finally hit that target, and now we need to break out this resistance of the descending triangle and this very strong and long-term resistance that recently Bitcoin has found here at $72,756. You can see that we got several rejections by this resistance, and in order to continue this rally to the upside, we will need to break out this resistance. Now, if the price then breaks out this descending triangle, by the way, in case of breaking down, it can drop down at this long-term support zone that starts from $53,000 and goes to $48,325. And in case of breaking out the resistance of this descending triangle, it can also break out this long-term resistance of $72,756. And the target will be here. That will be approximately at $82,634. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.